Hey everybody, I just got this ergonomic chair off of Facebook Marketplace. It looked like a really good idea to help make me comfortable while I'm editing all these videos. Problem is, it's made for somebody a little shorter than me. And this charged lifter is actually leaking very slowly, so every day I have to lift it back up again. So let's fix it. Other thing I wanted to address was these hard plastic wheels. They're not so nice on my hardwood floor. We're going to replace them as well. That was quick. I just picked up just what I needed. Some rollerblade style wheel casters. Look at that. Those are going to help everything. What we got here, it's our chairlift. Oh, that's nice. So this pressurized cylinder is twice as tall as the one I had on there before. This is going to bring me up to new heights. Let's turn things on their side. That should be good. If you look closely, these are put on with a pressure fit. There's no locks of any sort. The legs lock on, but the mount here is just pressed in. And if we look at the top here, it's the same scenario. So let's get the tools out. This first part, we're going to use Thor's golden hammer. All right, it's just a little sledgehammer. And a regular hammer should do the trick, but I'm going to use this one because it's powerful. So the idea is, if I brace the legs, I can whack this. Look at that. It came right off. Next part, I'm using a pipe wrench. This one's a beast. It's 24 inches. But honestly, a regular one could do the trick. The thing about a pipe wrench is, once you start twisting, it kind of applies the pressure and keeps it going. So we're going to tighten it down and then snugly, firmly press down, and we should twist this just like that. And we're free. That was easy. If we compare these pistons, you see the one on top is the old one, and this one on the bottom is new. It's twice as tall. This is going to be great. This right here is a protective piece here. It protects the button. This is what happens when you pull your lever. It'll activate this. But let's take that off and just slide it in. We don't really have to whack it or anything because your weight will keep it in the chair. Let's put these feet back on. It was so challenging. That's really it. I have to say, it looks better already. Next step, let's get these wheels off. For this, we're just using a big flathead screwdriver. We're going to wedge that in and pop them off. Let's see how easy this is. They just slide right out. So you can see what holds them in is this little circlip. It's a little ring, and it basically puts outward pressure. And inside the hole there, it's like an opening, and so that holds it in. So we're just going to pop that out. Compare the new ones to the old ones. You can see that this has a rollerblade style wheel. It's got nice bearings up here, and it's got a chrome finish to match the chair. Most importantly, you see that this mounting system is the same. It should pop right in. There you go. 1 down, 4 to go. Oops, that's okay. Caster pops off and the post is still there. Same thing, just get under there and pry it out. And in with the new. Two down, 3 to go. Look at that. So easy my cat could do it. Okay, maybe not. That was super easy. Last one. Nice. So smooth. Let's get this bad boy back up on its new feet. All right. How are we doing? Well, didn't break. Look at that. Lever says, whoa, it's so tall. My feet don't even touch the floor. This is awesome. Nice. So how high is it? Well, I'm 5'11", and here I am sitting normal. This chair is really adjustable. I like that. But how high does it go? We're gonna just pull the lever and see. Wow! Look at that. I'm dangling. That's funny. But I'll tell you, if this is working at a taller task desk, this could be fantastic. Ta-da! So there we have it. I've replaced a 4-inch cylinder with an 8-inch cylinder, and we added new, softer, quieter wheels to make this combined about 5 inches taller. So think about how tall you are. I'm 5'11", and these are probably the tallest that I would get. I might consider a 6-inch lift if you're under 6 feet tall. If you want any info on these, we've got links in the description. I want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with somebody you think would be interested, and have a great day. Cheers. So quiet. I love it.